Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Don't Show Pop-ups notifications function in Samsung Galaxy A55 when we are in our Do Not Disturb mode. So, where to look for this option and how to turn it off. We need to go to settings first, then in notifications under Do Not Disturb. At the very bottom we have hide notifications. When we go in here we have don't show pop-up notifications option enabled. So to turn off we simply uncheck this box, and now our pop-ups will appear even if we turn on our D&D mode. And that's basically it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.